What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Bros Be Vlogging. Today we're going to be showing you guys exactly how to change the valve cover gasket here on this 1992 Mazda Miata. If you guys are changing them on any other year, they should be very similar. The first thing we're going to go ahead and do is we are going to, before we remove anything, it is very important that we mark exactly where all of our coils go, because the last thing I want to do is put coil 1 and 2 and cause a misfiring situation. So we're going to mark it 1, cylinder 2, cylinder 3, and cylinder 4. And while we do that, we're going to do the same thing on the coil. So we're going to mark it 1, I've already done that there, number 2, number 3, and last but not least, number 4. Once we've gone ahead, we can go ahead and pull them out and start working on the 10mm bolts all around on the valve cover. Now that we've gone ahead and we've removed all of the coils, we're going to go ahead and remove all of these hoses right here. We'll use some pliers, pop them off. I've actually already worked on this one right here, so you just pretty much got to pull that guy off, and then I'll go grab some pliers for that. Make it free, pull it off on the side, just like that. And now we're going to be working on our bolts that are holding down the valve cover. 3 bolts. Just like that, you got all your bolts, set them aside. Now that you've gone ahead and removed all the 10mm bolts around the valve cover, you want to come on the back of here and you want to remove these 12mm bolts right here. There's one right about there and one right here. And these are actually holding the end of the coils there. Whoa, I just dropped it, but I'll grab that. And 2. You go ahead and remove that one, and remove the other one. So you grab both of them, and this should be completely freed up, which will allow you to now lift up your actual valve cover and move it out of the way. Gone ahead and we've removed it, and as you can see, there's your gasket all old, cracked up, and dry. So let me go ahead and grab a flathead screwdriver and start prying this all off. Alrighty, so now that we went ahead and we removed our old one, you want to go ahead and grab any kind of gasket that you find. If you guys are looking for a Fail Pro one down in O'Reilly's, that's the part number right there, VS50094R. It should work for anything from 1990s all the way up to 98. You can correct me on that in the comment section below. Teach me something, that'd be great. Anyways, coming back to this might be definitely not that sharp, but remove our gasket. I'll set it off to the side really quickly, and we will just clean the area where our new gasket goes, just to clean it off right here. Now you want to get your gasket. Basically want to find which side lines up where. Advise cleaning all of this off really quickly, getting all of the oil off of it, just like so. And then once we've gone ahead and we've cleaned it, we're going to go ahead and set some black RTV on it. Slide this up, back up in here. Same way we took it off, same way we're putting it back in. I went ahead and I skipped the assembly process just because it's going to be a little bit boring for you guys. So I went ahead and I put everything together. It's basically the same way that you took it off, same way you're going to put it back on. Went ahead and we put all the manifold bolts on. We got the coils on, just exactly how we put it, where we numbered it, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4. And then we went ahead and we put all the hoses. There's only 2 hoses, one right here and one right there that we put together. And basically that's it. Don't forget to put a little bit of your RTV here on the corners where the cams are, that way it won't leak or anything like that. But other than that, I want to thank everybody so much for watching today's video. If you guys like it, be sure to hit the subscribe button, and without further ado, just like I say at the end of every single video, work hard, kick ass, never ever stop trying. Peace out, guys.